Hi everybody, it's Stephen from Catamaran Guru. I'm here with Boris Compagnon from CATANA Group. We've got a really cool announcement to make. CATANA has come out with a new flagship boat, which is going to be amazing. It's going to be out soon, so all of you people looking for a bigger CATANA have delivered on that. The boat took us a long time coming, but it looks like it's going to be awesome. Well, from what I've seen, it really looks like it's the next level.
Exactly, this is the biggest Bali we've ever made. The last model we've launched was the smallest one, but now we have decided to go to increase the range, but by the top with the biggest model that we've ever made, which is a 5.8.
And the 5.8 is the next level in terms of luxury, finish. It's just moved up to the next level because obviously we're now in the mega yacht range, in the mega yacht size. The boat it's called a 5.8, but it's actually just over 60 foot from stem to stern. Just looking at the performance numbers, it's got really great performance numbers. They've changed from marine ply bulkheads to composite bulkheads. They've got carbon fiber stiffeners in it. I ran the Bruce numbers. Pretty impressive. It's going to be not just a really high-end finished mega yacht. It also is going to have some really good performance.
Yes, as you said, Stephen, we paid a lot of attention to the details and to the finish of the boat because, as you said, it's an higher class. So we had to propose something different from what we proposed before. So it's we made a lot of efforts on the quality of the furniture, the design inside. We paid a lot of attention of the volume and how the guests are welcome on board, especially regarding the beds. You know, it's all island beds everywhere, the volume inside, the volume of the showers, it's all dry heads everywhere. The shower of the master is just like massive, you know, and of course the DNA of Bali is to offer more volumes, more usable surface on board compared to the competition, and because of the solid foredeck, but because of the Bali tilting door at the back and an incredible huge fly bridge on top, which is a real rooftop.
So Boris, you know, what drove Bali to go to a bigger boat? I mean, the brand's tremendously successful with the range that it has. What drove you to that next size?
A very simple answer: the market, the demand. There was a real demand from our actual owners who are loyal, who first started with us like 10 years ago with a 4.3, you know, or even 4.5, and then they jumped into bigger boats. And they were very happy with the 5.4, but they say, when can you make a bigger one? And so that's why we're coming now with a 5.8, because I mean, it's not only the market asking for a bigger boat, but it's just our customers, our clients that are so happy with the Bali concept that they just want more Bali in Bali.
We're really looking forward to seeing the boat. They're in build right now. You know, and soon we'll see one in the US. We're not too sure when. We're trying for this year, but you know, it'll either be Annapolis this year or Miami next year is when you'll actually be able to walk on one. In the meantime, we've got a lot of information for you, a lot of pictures, a lot of data that we'll be happy to share with you. If you're interested, you know, please contact me, and we will, you know, we'll share everything we've got and availability, pricing, and all the rest of it. I think you're going to be very pleasantly surprised.